In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make this kind of intertwined text inside Canva, and this will be a very quick and easy tutorial. So let's start the video. So first of all, you just need to create a blank document inside Canva. Then you need to type your text. So from my example, I'm going to write here good vibes. Now you can insert another text, and that will be a spiral kind of text. So I'm going to write here only and selecting a font from here. Now change the color. Now you need to download these two layers separately. So delete one element, or you can just press Ctrl X from your keyboard to cut it, and then download this as PNG, and also select transparent background. Now again press Ctrl V to just bring back the last image we cut, and now delete the other one. Again download it as PNG with transparent background. Now you need to just bring back the last text. Now delete this one. Now keep this text as it is. Now we are going to import the two images that we just downloaded. So I'm just going to import this one. This is the text. So match the text with this text like this. Now insert the other image. Now make it full canvas. Now go to layers and position, and then go to layers and insert this red one just below the new image that we inserted. Now you can select this new image and crop it as you want. So I'm going to show you how you can crop this. So let's say I want to crop it just right here. Okay, now again select the same layer and duplicate it, make it the same position. Now going to select just right here and bring this to that side. Okay, now we can see this red line is just underneath of this black text. Now we are going to do this same here. So I'm going to select this layer again, duplicate it. Now place it in the same position. Now I'm going to just bring it back here like this. Just crop it again here. Now you can see the N letter is on the top of the black text and the L is underneath the V. So we are going to do the same right here. So again select this layer and duplicate it, place it on the left. Now crop it just like this, and again select this and bring it all the way right here. So that's it, and now you can see this is our intertwined text. The black text and the red text is in between them, and it's look really cool. And if you want to add some more element on the page, you can just go to elements, search for glow, and you can insert this kind of glow effect to make the design looking more cool. Duplicate it again and bring it on the other corner. You can choose other glow. So that was the video, and I hope you learn how to make this kind of intertwined text in Canva. If you find this video helpful, please hit subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.